This is our next problem. So let's go to the problem directly. So here it is. Let's suppose there are 4 blood types and probability of having the blood type is given below. So O is 0.40, that's the most common one. Type A is 35%, B is 15%, and AB, which is 10%. Now, assuming people are independent, like husbands and wives, they're not from the same family, so independent. So what is the probability that husband and wife will have the same blood type? Which means husband is A and wife is an A, or husband is a B and wife is a B, same blood type. How do we go about doing that part? So let's start. So for O, 40% husband and 40% wife. Now remember, we are saying independence. Independence basically means that we can multiply the probabilities. Now think about tossing a coin. Let's say toss 2 coins. What's probably will get both heads? Well, that's 0.5 times 0.5 straight away. How about 2 tails? 0.5 times 0.5. So similarly, we're going to multiply this 0.4 times 0.40. We're going to discuss more on this topic in a couple of minutes, but this is what it is, 0.4 times 0.4. So husband type O and wife type O equal to 0.4 times 0.4 equal to 0.16. This is same thing as toss 1 equal to heads and toss 2 equal to heads. 0.5 times 0.5 equal to 0.25. So now we got it. O's will be 0.16. How about A's? This times that. B, this times that. And C, AB, this times that. So now we can simply add them up. So husband, wife, same type will be, these are the O's, these are the A's, B's, and AB's. When add them up, 31.5%. So there is about 31.5% probability that the husband and wife will have the same blood type, assuming these numbers. And these are not real numbers, by the way. Okay, this is it. So how does this work out with, let's say, formulas? So we are going to use multiplication formula, which is this one. Probability of A and B equal to probability of A times B given A. So that's the multiplication formula. That comes down to husband being O and wife being O equal to husband being O times wife being O given husband is O. Okay. If it's not O, then maybe something different. But now that we have independence, that basically means the given part doesn't matter, which means A given B equal to A. That means the B doesn't really matter, which means husband being O or A's or B's will not change the wife's probability of being O. So we can simply now do it. Husband O and wife O equal to husband O times wife O. Because this being same thing as wife O, because husband will not impact the wife's probability. And that's our husband O and wife O equal to 0.4 times 4 is 0.16. And we are done.